today is going to be about a hair mask which helps to eliminate your hair fall and also helps to make your hair grow faster than before. So if you're interested to know what are the ingredients in it and how to make it, then keep on watching.
For this hair mask, you would need 20 to 25 hibiscus leaves, 2 hibiscus flowers and 4 to 5 curry leaf strands. You have to make a paste of all these ingredients and then we will add few more powdered ingredients in it. Pluck all these curry leaves from the stem like this. For the mask, we don't need the stem at all. Remove the buds from the flowers as well and again the stems from hibiscus leaves because we don't need all these things in the mask. Just do the way I am doing it over here. Now make a paste of it. Make it smooth and a little bit thin in consistency, just the way I made it over here. It formed into this thin jelly-like consistency due to hibiscus present in it. Add these powdered ingredients in it. First is this licorice powder, then neem powder and at last amla powder. If you don't have any of these powders, no need to worry. You can apply the paste as it is how I have shown you already. Add 2 spoons of licorice powder in this paste. This will help you to soothe itchy and irritated scalp, which will help you get rid of dandruffs, buildups and other fungal infections which you have on your scalp. Add 2 spoons of neem powder in it. Neem actively cleanses and strengthens hair follicles. It increases blood circulation in your scalp, which gives you stronger and healthier roots, which prevents breakage and promotes hair growth. Add 1 spoon of amla powder as it levels up the sebum production on your scalp, which helps to get rid of dandruff and scalp itchiness. It promotes hair growth, acts as an excellent toner for your hair roots as well, which strengthens the hair and makes it resistant to dryness. At last, add 2 spoons of coconut oil, which will moisturize your scalp and won't let the natural oil to strip off completely. This will make your hair smooth and silky from roots to the ends. Mix all these ingredients properly to make a thick paste of it. There should be no lumps in it. This mask needs to be nice and smooth, which will be easy during the application. Keep on adding water whenever required to remove the lumps in it. Before applying this mask, make a middle partition like this and detangle your hair properly. Focus on the scalp and roots, then to the ends. Coat all your hair strands from roots to ends with this hair mask, just the way I am doing it over here. The ingredients present in this mask will help you grow your hair faster and thicker. Obviously, besides, this mask will provide a shine to your hair, keep it nourished, prevent infection and buildups, which is a barrier to your hair growth. It will help you prevent dry and frizzy hair. It will also help you make your hair stay manageable and tangle free. Since ancient times, hibiscus have always been regarded as one of the best herbs to treat hair problems through its leaves and flowers in Ayurveda. Hibiscus leaves and flowers especially stimulates faster hair growth, which brings back the volume in your hair, works as a conditioner that makes your hair lustrous and shiny, prevents baldness and regrows your hair. It prevents dandruff and itchy scalp as well, maintains the pH balance of your hair. The amino acids present in this hibiscus nourishes your hair follicles and makes them more manageable than before. Second most ingredient in this hair mask works magical on your hair scalp and on your hair strands as well. The curry leaves in this mask is rich in antioxidants, prevents hair loss, makes your hair grow faster, strengthens your hair, provides nutrients to your hair, reduces dryness, moisturizes your scalp, reduces dandruff, prevents buildups and whatnot due to the vitamin A, B, C, protein, antioxidants, calcium and iron present in it. Use this mask twice every month to see the best results. Be consistent with it, that will help you to prevent almost all the hair problems that might occur. Every time you apply it, keep it on your hair for 1 hour 30 minutes. After 1.5 an hour, this mask would have dried almost on your scalp. Now it's the time to wash your hair, but at first wash your hair with normal water to remove all those powdered particles, because we don't want any unnecessary buildups. We just want the benefits of these ingredients. If you have a scalp massager, use it. That would help as well to remove it gently. Then wash your hair with this diluted shampoo which I am showing you over here. The shampoo needs to be little mild, which needs to be diluted with almost half a cup of water. Then wash your hair with this diluted shampoo normally, how you generally wash your hair. Follow these basic steps to be gentle with your hair and keep it healthy to see the desired results. After shampooing, remove excess water from your hair and let it air dry. You can use conditioner and serums just like your normal post hair wash routine if you have very dry hair, or if it's your choice. I don't use anything as this mask is very nourishing and it is good enough for me. These ingredients present in this mask will altogether help you grow your hair faster and thicker than before.
That's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you all and you guys liked it as well. This mask will help you grow your hair faster than before only if you're consistent with it. Use it once or twice a month to make your hair grow faster and maintain its shine. Use it for 1 hour 30 minutes, which is an ideal time to apply this mask and keep it on your hair. But if you're in a hurry, then apply it for 40 minutes. That works fine as well. But be consistent with it to see the results. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your patience. Do like, share, comment and subscribe if you like such contents. That would encourage me to make more such contents for you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.